Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a barcode using Filmora. Okay, let's get started. Here I have opened my Filmora on my computer, and first of all we need to go to the Canva apps and we're going to search for barcode generator, and we're going to use the barcode generator app to create a barcode. I'm going to go to the apps right here, and then I'm going to search for the barcode generator, this one, and there will be some apps you can use, and I'm going to choose this one, barcode generator. And for example, I'm going to choose this barcode type, code 128, and I'm just going to pick random data here. Okay, and then you can choose the barcode image color. I'm just going to leave it like that, and I'm going to click on generate barcode. Okay, and this is the result. As you can see that the barcode has been created and has been added to this design. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create barcode using Canva. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.